What's up, guys? This is Joseph with FMF Racing, and for today's power tip of the day, we're going to be installing our 4-stroke insert sound spark arrestor. So the tools you're going to need are a small pick or a small flathead screwdriver, the retaining clip that's included with our FMF Exhaust, and of course the insert itself. We do sell multiple different sizes depending on what your sound decibel reading necessity is, so let's get into it. When installing the spark arrestor, you want to make sure it's in line. You don't want it crooked or cockeyed. So as simple as that, you slide it right in. You grab your retaining ring. It has one bent up edge. You want to make sure that's facing out. Take the flat edge of the retaining ring and insert that first into the tip. It slides in like a spiral right around the insert, and you'll know it's fully installed when you hear it click. Now you're US Forest Service approved, sound approved, ready to rip.